Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Rejoice, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to generate these super gorgeous fashion models or fashionable outfit using two softwares, and also I'll be using my mobile phone to do this. So if you know me, you know I don't really like to talk too much, so let's get straight into creating. So the first thing is to go to your browser and type Bing Image Creator. That is the first software I'm going to be showing you guys how to use and to generate these fashion models with. So type Bing Image Creator and open up the software. Now this is it. This is Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Now one thing with this software is it gives good pictures or images. Yeah, it does, but it doesn't really give room for like customizations. It doesn't let you really, customize it. It's just fixed. You can't change the aspect ratio. You can't, and then it frowns at some words that are not even offensive. For example, I tried to generate something with like a curvy model and it frowned at the word curvy. I tried thick model, it frowned at the word thick. So you see, it's sort of limited. That's one thing with this image creator. I also like to turn my browser to like desktop view so I can have a lot more options on the screen, and still I couldn't find any button to like customize, change the aspect ratio and stuff. But I like the images I got from here, even though they were not like YouTube. They couldn't give me YouTube sizes. They were giving like square Instagram post sizes. Please, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Now I took it back to mobile view because I like it better that way. And I'm just going to generate what I want, and it will give me what I want. Now, like I said, I made a video with this Bing image generator in more in-depth. We spent a lot more time here and I explained a few things. So please do check out that video if you want more on this image creator. So one thing I like about Bing Image Creator is this 3 energy boosts here. I like that it takes just one to generate 4 images and it gives 15 and it refreshes every day. I like that about it. It just takes one to give you 4 images and our images are ready. These are what we got with the description I give it. These are really cool. Now if you see anyone you like, just click on the dots below the image and you download it. It downloads straight to your mobile phone as a high quality image. Now, like I said in my previous video, if you don't know how to describe what you want, just go to ChatGPT and let it describe things for you. In some of the pictures I posted up, I just asked ChatGPT to describe an extravagant Met Gala outfit for me, and it did that. So you can just copy the prompt and paste it here and the AI will do the magic for you. Now, as promised, this is a second software you can use to generate a much more cinematic and much more realistic images, and it is Leonardo AI. So just go to your browser and type leonardo.ai and click on the first one you see. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and create an account. It's super easy to create, but I do have one, so I'll just launch app. I need to open my Leonardo AI account for me. So one thing I do like about this, as opposed to the other one, is the options to customize. You have different ways you can customize this. You can, just play with it. If you want a more in-depth video on how to really customize Leonardo.ai and make it do what you want, there's even an option where you can upload your own picture and you can generate AI models with your picture or another person's picture with like the facial features and stuff. If you want that video, please comment down below and I'll make that video and post it especially for you. Okay. All right, but let's get straight into generating. So for some images, I like it to generate 4 images at once. Like I said, it gives you the option to change that. I also like to turn on this photo reel to give me realistic images. And I like to make it, if I'm using it for YouTube, I like to change the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is for YouTube. If I'm generating for Instagram, I also input the aspect ratio that is appropriate. And then after that, I just go back and describe what I want, and as usual, it generates what I tell it to. This is super fun. I enjoy creating images. Yeah. Now, something I need to tell you is to add this line, full frame image showing her feet. Let's say you're generating a model and you want a full frame image, from head to toe. You should add this line, and you're going to see why in just a bit. Now it is generating. Let's just wait a bit for it. Now our images are ready. Here they are, very realistic. We have 4 images generated, with the same description. Now, if you want to save anyone, just click on the image. You'll see this download button. You download it to your phone. Leonardo AI gives 150 points to use in a day, and if you're generating realistic image, it takes like 22 of those points per generation. Now let us try generating one without that prompt I told you, the one about showing her legs, making a full frame and all. See, it will just give you like close-up shot of the model, not like full frame, with her feet and all. These 4 images are the ones I did without that prompt, and this is what I have. So it is important that you include that prompt. This AI just likes, the extra details. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.